Welcome to CS50Web project number 1 Wikipedia. Let's start with introduction. My name is Van Nguyen. I'm from London, Ontario, Canada. I am currently studying software engineering technology at Centennial College at Toronto, Canada. Let's talk about the requirement of this project. The requirement number 1 is that the entry page. When the user visiting our page and with this path, the server will look for the title of the encyclopedia entry. And if the title exists, the user would get a page that displays the content. Otherwise, they would receive a page. So, see wiki CSS. Okay. Let's say that the page and also the title of the page is updated. That's based for 3 page not found. And if the user enters the correct title, it will direct the user to the entry page of the encyclopedia. Try again for Python. Okay, let's talk to the next requirement. In the index page, the index page would list all the names in the encyclopedia, and the user can click on the entry name to be taken directly to the entry page. So I click to home. It will listing all the entries of the encyclopedia, and the user can click into it. Okay. The next requirement is that the search. When the user type a query into the search box in the sidebar, and if the query match, the web server will respond to the server with the entry page. And if the query does not match, it has the similar substring, and this would be so the list of the substring, and the user can click into it. Otherwise, it would say an error page or the entry cannot be found. Here, if I type Python, and it would enter all the, and again CSS, and if I type Y, it shows that the search result with the link, and the user can link into it. Or and jingle, and if the user type something that does not exist, say that no match result found. Moving on with the new page requirement. When the user click create new page in the sidebar, and the user can input for the title of the new title for the page, and they are able to enter the markdown content for that page. And when they click into it, if the encyclopedia entry already exists with the provided title, the user would be presented with the error message. Otherwise, the encyclopedia should be saved into the disk, and the user should be taken to that new entry page. So in here, there's no Java, and I'm going to create a new page, Java, with the markdown content. So I'm going to change this one back to Python, so that because Python is already exist, and when I submitted it, they say that Python already exists, and even though CSS at a lower case. Now I'm putting Java here, and when I submit it, it will process this information, and the title and the content markdown will be saved into the disk, and the new Java entry page would be appear here, Java. When I go back to home, you can see that Java into the list. The next requirement is that on each entry page, the user should be able to click into a link and taken to a page where the user can edit the entry markdown content in the next area. And when the user click the button to say the entry page, and the user would be directed back to the entry page. So I'm going to CSS here, and there's a button, edit this page, or crypto, edit this page. And so if I want to edit this page, so that I already disable the text box so that the user couldn't type anything. Even though if they want to change the value, like they try to bypass my server by changing the value of CSS to CSS2, they enter it. It's updated here, and I say it's updated. 1, 2, 3. You see, click into it. It say the page name has been modified and the system cannot proceed. So they have to have the same name. Otherwise, they use this CSS editing page. They try to modify other page like Python. Now let me change it back to CSS before. And hopefully this time I can submit my the web updated 1, 2, 3. And I already be redirected to redirect to the new page, CSS page, and it's updated. Okay, let's talk to the next requirement is that the random page. When the user click random page in the sidebar, the user take the user to the random encyclopedia entry here, the bottom here, and I click into it. 1, have crypto. 2, AI. 3, Python. The last requirement is the turn the markdown content to HTML conversion. I already did it, so that's why you can see here. It has Python is a header, and this is a bolded. Or if you go to the CSS, you will see that HTML is here as a hyperlink. This is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Bye.